here. We're gonna salsa. It's gonna start right off. So we're gonna go like this. There it is. Walk your feet. Walk. Little salsa. Arm is optional. Walk your feet. So toe, heel, toe, heel. Do it again. One more time. Now you're gonna give me a saucy booty turn. Go. Tap it front, left, right. 2 steps. 2 front, 2 steps. Something new. We're gonna flick that hair. Add the knee. Flick, knee, body roll. Flick, knee, body roll. It's a new move. Take your time with it. Now bring your knee in like this. In, hit. Single knees. 4, 3, 2. Do it again. Go in with a hit. Singles. Now that's the whole song. Salsa, let's go. Walk your feet. Out. Walk your feet. Do it again. Oh, it's me. Oh, it's me. Ladies, we're gonna turn it spicy. Oh, Sierra, you brought the spice tonight. Look at her. She is. 1, 2, 1, 2. I might be down to a sports bra before we get, this is ridiculous up in here. We're gonna go like this. Flick, roll. Is that Brooke back there? She getting it? She getting it? Now you're gonna bring that knee in. Hit. Singles. Singles. Salsa. Walk. Do it again. You're gonna turn it. Here we go. Roll with me. I don't actually know what the words. I think he's saying woe is me, but I don't.